Y'all see this? Okay, Kenny's gonna get that work tonight. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by Zeelool. They were kind enough to send me some more glasses to review for you guys. I will also be giving you guys a 25 and under synthetic wig lookbook. So that will be 6 wigs under $25 to give you guys some looks with these glasses, okay? Now because this is a wig lookbook and because I'm doing 6 wigs in one video, I'm not going into crazy detail about the wigs. I'm giving you guys the specs, the pros, the cons, and the looks, okay? That's it. Hey, I ain't sitting behind this camera all day. But before we get into these looks, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so Zeelool is an online glasses site. They do offer affordable, trendy frames as well as prescription glasses, so you can get your looks on a budget with Zeelool. Now your glasses will come shipped in a box just like this, and then inside that box you will have an eyeglasses tool as well as a PD ruler or a pupillary distance ruler. You will need to know your PD if you plan on getting prescription in your glasses. Now when you get your glasses, you normally get them in a carrying case. This time they sent me my glasses in a bag, but I like it, okay? It's not as bulky. I don't have a whole bunch of cases everywhere, and I like the bag Zeelool. And then the glasses come wrapped in a cleaning cloth as well as some saran wrap to protect the glasses from scratches and things like that, okay? All of my glasses do come with a blue light blocker. That is an extra expense if you want to add that onto your glasses. I'm always looking at a computer screen or sitting in front of my lights, and you know that can take a toll on my eyes. The blue light blocker definitely helps that. So let's go ahead and get into our first pair of glasses. So these are the Tandy rectangle light tortoise glasses, and they retail for $12.95. Okay, these are cute, y'all. These are cute. They are big, but they have like a square look with like a little cat eye look on the side. They're very comfortable. They do feel like a hard plastic, but they're very sturdy, so I like that. They're very simple. They have some little gold detailing up here, you know, in the corner. They have a thick armband on these joints. Goodness gracious. I do like these a lot, y'all. I do like these. And they go with my hair. And speaking of hair, this is Outre KIMORA. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail for $21.94. This unit does come with lace from ear to ear, a natural pre-plug hairline, as well as a deep center part, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use some heat on the top here just to flatten this out. I did get a little bit of shedding and tangling with this unit, but nothing crazy. She does give me the similar vibe to Outre KIMORA, but this one is cheaper and it's thinner. For a $20 unit, if you don't have her, get her, okay? She's a catch. Grab her, grab her. And with the glasses, she does something to me, okay? She is doing something to me with the glasses. Let me brush her a little bit. $12 glasses, I ain't mad at them. I ain't mad at them. Okay, Tandy. Okay, Tandy. Okay, so next up we have the Charlene brow line black glasses. This is what those look like, and they do retail for $27.95. These look good, y'all. It has the cat eye, it has the black rim, like, y'all. This little Michael Jackson curl is gonna get me, but these look good. Okay, let me pull my shoulders out because I'm feeling this, okay? I am feeling these glasses on me. It gives me a very old school feel. Oh, I didn't notice. So the black frame on the side kind of kicks out to give that cat eye look. See how it's like it stops here and then like the black frame kind of kicks out to give that cat eye look? I like that, Zeelool. Okay, I like that. Just does something to me. Y'all see these glasses? Huh? Do y'all see these glasses? Okay, and the hair just sets it off, don't it? This is the Vanessa unit by the name of Cody. I think that's how you say it. And she retails for $22.14. She is an oldie but a goodie, and I'm so glad that I was sitting on her. Y'all, she was sitting on my shelf, and I was like, ooh, let me go ahead and bust her out real quick. Did she not come to slay? Did she not give a look? Now, I'm gonna tell you though, out the pack, she needed a little work, okay? So you gotta brush her out and play with her curls a little bit to get the look that I wanted. I did trim her up a little bit because obviously my neck is a little bit shorter than some people, so I had to make sure that my unit was, you know, giving me the bob look that I wanted. And y'all, she's sitting real cute. No shedding, no tangling, no lace. You don't gotta cut no lace off this joint. I think she looked good, okay? This is the unit right here. I just kind of swooped it into my edges to kind of give me a natural look. I'm here for the glasses, I'm here for the hair, I'm here for the look, okay? She looks good. Okay, next up we have the Cecil cat eye tortoise glasses. This is what those look like, and they do retail for $12.95. Let me go ahead and sit back real quick because I'm feeling real I'm feeling real bougie. Trendy on a budget. $12. And y'all, I love me the tortoise shell. The tortoise shell, me and the tortoise shell are like this. Zeelool knows me, okay? They know me. Another thick armband, okay? I love how the actual brow line of the glasses is pretty much straight all the way across. It gives me a very trendy, like up-to-date look, and I'm here for that. Okay, do y'all see how these look? These look good. Okay, these look good, and they fit really nicely on my face. Enough space for my eyelashes. I'm here for these. And let's not forget about the hair. This is from Made Beauty, is a part of their Invisible Lace Part series, and this is a unit Keisha. This is what her card looks like, and I got her in the color FFHotChoco, face framing hot chocolate. I'm here for it, and this unit does retail for $23.94. The color is bomb. Okay, that's my favorite part. The lace parting area, it's okay. I mean, it's invisible. You can't really see that joint. You got to go in and brighten it up. And the hair texture, not that great. I don't really like the silky texture of it. So, you know, she's not going to last a long time, but you'll get some wears out of her. Even though she is more of a silky texture, she does have some body in her. Layers in this unit are cut really, really nicely. So I'm here for that. She is a little thin on the top and a little humpy, if you guys can see that up in there. So yeah, be mindful of that. There's no gaps in there though. Okay, no gaps. Paired with the glasses though, she a look. Okay, she a look. Let's get into it. I don't even have a favorite right now because I like them all so far. I like all the glasses so far. Zeelool, are you here? You here? Next up we have the Willy Crystal Square glasses. This is what those look like, and they retail for $23.95. Okay, so putting them on, they feel very, very comfortable. They are definitely square. Okay, they give a lot of space for my eyelashes. Y'all know I love me like the crystal type of looks. They are very comfortable. They sit up pretty high on my face. I think I like them, but I'm not quite sure. Y'all gotta help me out with these ones. I'm not really sure. What I don't like is this wig though. That's why I put this headband on, because she was a no. This wig is from Vella Vella. It is their Emily unit. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color F1B/30, and she does retail for $17.94. The only thing I like about this unit is the look. I got it for this look. She looks so good on her card, y'all. That's not what's happening under here. It's real thick up in here. And they had the comb right here in the front. Who puts the comb right there? Why would I want the comb right here in my part? I don't want that. So I cut that joint out, tried to cut a V into this unit. All it did literally was split the unit in half, and it just made it look ridiculous. It didn't lay flat. I just put a headband on and called her a day. But the look still came together, didn't it? Okay. The glasses came together, the headband brought the unit together, so we good to go. Let's go ahead and get into the next look. Oh. And next up we have the Winston butterfly glasses. This is what those look like, and they retail for $23.95. Okay, putting them on my face, y'all. I love these. Okay, I love these a lot. They're a little fancy. Okay, they're a little fancy, but I'ma rock them. It has the eyebrow detail with the gold. It has the gold into the armband. Has a little dip on her chip over there. I ain't mad at her, y'all. She looks real good. I really like how these look on me, and again, very, very comfortable, and they sit up high on my nose. They have enough space for my eyelashes. Okay, let's get the eyelash test. Okay, good. Okay, we in there, and we're in there with this hair. Okay, so this is model Fantasia. This is what her card looks like, and she does retail for $23.43. However, for my color, my unit is $2 extra, so that's $25.43. This is how she is looking. She has a very nice light yaki texture. The only thing is she has a left side part. Y'all know, I don't really like left side parts. They just don't sit right on my face, I feel. But I can rock her for the time being for the look that I was going to get. All right, I did go in and pull some hair from the parting space, as well as cut the V into the parting space, and use my knot eraser and some heat on top here just to make sure she was going to be flat down to my head. And that's it, y'all. Very beginner friendly, very easy to slay and get your look together real quick. But all in all, y'all, this look is 100 for me. The glasses are fire. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, these are cute. And last but not least, we have the Dentist Cat Eye Light Tortoise glasses. This is what those look like, and they retail for $12.95. What's happening? What's happening? Y'all see these glasses? Y'all, do I look pulled together or no? I was not here for these out the pack. Looking at these joints on my table, I was like, no, Zeelool. But now that I got them on my face and styled up with the hair, Gerald. She look good, don't she? She look good. I'm here for these. Perfect for the eyelashes if you wear them, and they are affordable. $12? $12? Yes, yes. Now the nose guards does sit a little bit lower on my nose, so it's not as high up as I would like. Nothing I can't handle though. We still gonna rock them, okay? Speaking of rocking, y'all see this hair? Who knows what wig this is? Okay, so this unit is from Free Tress Equal. It is the unit Valentino. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color PB27, and she retails for $18.94. When this unit first came out, it was a $20 unit, and Free Tress Equal was one of the first companies to try the face framing highlights on their unit and get it right. So these wigs are flying off the shelf like hotcakes. So the texture of this one feels a lot different than I remember her feeling. It's silky, but it's not as silky as the Made Beauty one. That one is silky to the point that you know it's silky. This one is kind of like is it silky or is it a yaki? Is it a mix? It's kind of like a mixture almost. I did go in and cut the V into the parting space as well as use my knot eraser in the parting, and that was it. I'm so glad I got this color. I'm so glad I got this color. Coupled with the glasses is giving me a look. And y'all see how the glasses got the little cheetah print going on? Look at that. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Hello, Zeelool. Can't even pick a favorite. They all hitting. Y'all tell me down below which look was your favorite. Y'all see this? Okay, Kenny's gonna get that work tonight. That is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Zeelool for sending me these glasses. I really appreciate it. I will put all the links to the glasses down below, so you guys want to check them out, you can. I do have a $10 coupon code, so make sure you use that joint to save some money on your order. I will also put links down below for the hair, so you guys want to check those out. You can do that as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.